Good day, students, and welcome to today's class. Today we want to look at revision on triads. At the end of this lesson, students should be able to define a triad, state 4 types of triad, and identify the type of triads given with a simple method. Triad, this is defined as a 3-note chord which includes the root, the third, and the fifth, with a specific distance between them. Types of triad. There are 4 different types of triad, namely major triad, minor triad, augmented triad, and diminished triad. Identification of each type of triads. Major triad. How do I identify major triad in any given piece or given musical piece? Look at this. It has 7 semitones from the root to the fifth, and it has 4 semitones from the root to the third. Where is the root and where is the third? Where is the fifth? Let me show you the first note here. You know, we have 3 notes written together here. The first note here is known as what? The root. And the second note here is known as the third. And the last one here is known as the fifth. So when you have root to the fifth, by the time you find the semitone from root and the fifth, and you're able to get 7 semitones, and you find the semitone from the root to the third, and you're able to get what? 3 or 4 semitones. That means this type of triad is major triad. We try it together now. We discover that it's going to give us the same thing. From F to C, we give you 7 semitones. From F to A, we give you what? 4 semitones. Let's move to minor triad. How will I be able to identify minor triad if I see one? Look at it. From root to the fifth, we give you 7 semitones, and from root to the third, we give you 3 semitones. So from F to C, it's 7 semitones. From F to A flat, mind you, all these accidentals, they are very, very important. If you see any sharp, just make sure that you calculate your semitone to that particular note. This is not A, this is A flat. Okay, from F to A flat, it's going to give you what? 3 semitones. So if you have this, then you know that that type of triad is a minor triad. Then for augmented triad, it has 8 semitones from the root to the fifth. From here, this is G to D sharp. You find out by using your keyboard. You discover that it's going to give you 8 semitones. From G to B, root to the third, it's going to give you 4 semitones. So you have something like this. It will always give you augmented triad. For diminished triad, let's look at what we have here. G to D flat, we give you 6 semitones. And G to B flat, we give you what? 3 semitones. You have 6, 3 in this case. In any triad, it will always give you what? Diminished triad. Okay, let me now do one example for you, and we're going to use the keyboard to solve it together. Identify the type of triad given below. Like what we have here now. The first thing you need to do is to identify the letter names. Look at this note. The first letter here is D. This is F, and this is A. Okay, going by what I told you earlier on, the root to the fifth and the root to the third. Then we have D to A, then D to F. Okay, let's find the semitones. How do I find the semitone? This is C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E on my keyboard or piano. Then from D to A. See, D to D sharp, that is 1 semitone. D sharp to E, that's another semitone, 2. E to F, that's 3. F to F sharp, that's 4. To G, 5. G sharp, 6. Then G sharp to A, 7. So D to A will give us what? 7 semitone. And D to F, 1, 2, 3. So I believe you can get the answer going by what I have just done on the board here. This is going to give us what? Minor triad. Minor triad. Okay, so that brings us to the end of the class, and other things will be sent to you on the Google Classroom. Thanks for listening.